I know you have made a website and you're now looking to skyrocket your website sales. And through your website, you want to increase your traffic. So in this video today, we are now going to discuss some tips and tricks, easy ways to basically skyrocket your website. Let's go ahead. These are easy, simple, and effective tricks that will make your SEO go to the top. So let's get to the first one. Number one, every website has errors. Your website might have the SEO errors too. So let's go ahead and fix those errors first. If we are talking about errors on your website, that is the first step. So it is normal to have the errors on your website because you have just created a website, or your website is old but you never gave any focus on the errors on your website which are there and they are not comfortable with the SEO. Especially when you add new pages or you add new content, these errors can hold back your ranking and will not allow your website to rank higher in the search engines. There are many tools available in the market. You can use any tool, check the errors which are there on your website. You can start fixing some small errors in the beginning. That is too good for the SEO. That will get to you at a good place. Number two, backlinks are currency in the SEO strategy. Start making them or start earning them now. Links are the confidence of vote for your website. The more quality sites that link back to you, the higher the chance is for your website and the keywords to high rank for you. Backlinks are the currency for your website. The more backlinks you have, the higher chance of your website to rank higher with your keywords in the search engines. Links are like vote of confidence to your website. If you have a lot of backlinks, which are called backlinking as well, linking to your website related to your keywords, the more you have, the better chances of your website is to rank higher in the search engines. You can create good backlinks by creating good blogs, good articles, press releases, and infographics. Another important thing that we are going to cover, that is point number 3. It's called as Google Console. Now, Google Console was previously called as Google Webmaster, but now it is called as Google Console. A lot of people, a lot of websites do not have link to Google Console. This is the biggest mistake every website person is doing. Any website owner, if you do not have your link to Google Console, you're missing out a lot of updates that Google Console gives you. For example, which pages are getting indexed, which pages are getting more traffic and more information. The best part is Google Console is absolutely free and it is a must-have. Log in and connect your Google Console today if you haven't connected your website to the Google Console. Look at the traffic data, especially the queries which your customers or people are making in the Google search engine to find you. This will help you understand which keywords are working for you, okay? And which keywords are not working for you. This insight will help you to understand which keywords are already working and where you can double down. Plus, it also alerts you if there is any technical issue, for example, mobile friendliness or any crawling issues or any indexing issues. Point number 4, remove irrelevant pages from your website. Declutter your website and delete the irrelevant and old content on your website. Over time, your website may accumulate outdated or irrelevant content. You need to remove that. These pages can dilute your website's authority. The solution? Delete the pages that do not provide any authority right now. You can redirect them using a 301 redirect to the pages which have relevant content and can give more authority. This keeps your website clean, strong, and good from an SEO perspective. Next topic, point number 5, we are going to talk about keywords. Keywords are the most relevant thing when you are doing your SEO. Choose your keyword wisely. If you are targeting a local area, do not go for long-term keywords. For example, I said long-term. I did not say long tail. Long-term keywords are short tail keywords. But Long tail keywords are short term keywords. That means your website can get early ranking with long tail keywords. For example, now you are a moving company in Dallas. So, moving company is not a good keyword for you. A good keyword for you is going to be moving company in Dallas. That's how you need to plan your keyword strategy. And you can also use various tools available in the market to find the best keywords for you. For example, again, just go to any of your competitor, see what keywords are there on your website, check out what keywords will work for you, which are more relative and make sense for your website. Choose those ones. Next point number 6. Do not forget to add keywords in the meta title and descriptions. Meta title descriptions are the most important thing in your website, because when Google is reading through the websites with those relevant keywords, it needs to find those keywords in the meta title and the content of your website. But again, do not cluster your website with a lot of keywords. Make the choice sensibly. Follow the Google guidelines for the title and the description. By that, I mean the length of the title and descriptions. Next topic number 7. What you need to do is follow the Google guidelines for the keyword density in that content. Now, you must be like, what is the keyword density? There is. Keep your keyword density in the content of your website less than 3%. In that way, you will remain in the guidelines and you will follow good ranking procedures. Do not cluster your website. Do not stuff keywords on your website. A lot of people, what they do, oh, I have 20 keywords. Let me do what? Let me target all those 20 keywords on this page. No. You should know what page you should target and what keyword should be targeted on which page. These are the just 7 basic tips for your SEO marketing. Now, for more tips and tricks for the SEO, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon, hit the like button to support us for more videos. Thank you. Till then, take care.